What's going on, Gabriel? This is the 2018 Ford Fusion hybrid. I just wanted to make a quick video for you, kind of showing the highlights of the car, showing you around the car so you have a more, you can make a more informed decision. I want to start out with some information about the car, and then I'll go ahead and do a walk around of the car showing you the exterior and interior, hitting on some of those features. To start off, this is a 2-liter inline 4 paired with an electric motor. It has a combined output of 188 horsepower with 129 pound-feet of torque. It gets excellent gas mileage at 43 miles per gallon in the city and 41 on the highway. Translated into range, you can expect to see about 602 miles in the city and about 574 on the highway. So really good gas mileage and range, actually one of the best in range out of the hybrids. Go ahead and look at some of the looks of the car and some of the safety. So on the headlights are going to be projector style headlights, which are going to help with your visibility at night. This kind of gives you a more direct beam of light. While we're also in the front of the car, I also want to go ahead and point out the fact that in my email I sent you, we did go ahead and change the oil filter, as well as the air filter and the cabin air filter. We also replaced the front 2 tires and made sure all the tires were balanced. As you see down here, you do have that hybrid. Nice alloy wheels, which are nice for saving weight. Coming on back here to the back, where we can find another good safety feature, and that is going to be these LED tail lights. The car has LED tail lights, LED reverse lights, and LED brake lights. The benefit to you is that these LED lights bright up brighter. Not only are they brighter, but they also are more immediate. So whenever you hit your brakes, you'll have an immediate light come on versus a little bit of a delay that you get in your traditional halogen style bulbs. As you can see on the exterior, there is no damage, there's no big dents, no dings, nothing like that. The back of the car does have parking sensors as well, so you'll be able to tell whenever you're getting close to an object. It obviously has the backup camera included as well. Looking down here at the trunk is a pretty good size. Same depth as what you would normally get in one of the trunks. Obviously, there's this little area right here where the battery is, so you lose a little bit of space down there. But nothing too crazy, not a whole lot. Now, I don't know how big your kids are, Gabriel, but I'm 6'1", so I want to go ahead and hop in the back seat of the car, show you the amount of space you can expect back here. Before I do, I also do want to go ahead and bring up the fact that the car does have, of course, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and it also has air vents back here in the 3rd row for your kids, as well as 2 power outlets. You have your traditional power outlet right there, as well as a 150 volt regular outlet right there. It's an AC charger, so really cool. Go ahead and close the door. You'll look and notice my leg space is pretty substantial. Like I said, I'm 6'1" and I have no problems fitting in the back of here. Go ahead and show you the amount of head space I have. Now keep in mind, I do have a lot of hair, but as you notice, my hair is barely touching the ceiling. My head is not at all, and I'm actually pretty comfortable. Can't complain at all. Good amount of space. Of course, you have your map lights and all of that, so your kids can read while you drive. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hop to the front seat and show you the front seat. Now, a couple other things the car has. The car does have the smart entry system with push button start, meaning that you can lock the car, unlock the car, and start the car and never need to get the keys out of your pocket or your purse if it's your wife driving. Go ahead and show you here. As you notice, the car does have navigation, nice touchscreen radio, dual automatic climate control, plenty of storage, some more power outlets, a really cool styled gear selector, electronic parking brake, a couple of drive modes. Other than that, you'll notice that the car, as I said, and like the email shows, it is a very low mileage. You can see right down here the car only has 22,000 miles on it, so really good car. And as you see here, it's in really good condition. Alright, Gabriel, let me know if you have any questions. Just go ahead and email me back with any kind of questions or concerns that you may have. And other than that, I look forward to earning your business. Thanks, Gabriel.